Senator Judge Soto is recognized for his interjections. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. President. Thank you. Madam Witness, being the Special Disbursing Officer, you are the only official allowed to disburse the funds. Tama po ba?
Based sa GC po, Your Honor, ako po ang person mag-disburse, Your Honor.
Correct. Now, can you delegate these powers to others?
Gidisburse ko po ang confidential fund, Your Honor, sa aming security officer, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung pagiging disbursement officer mo, are you allowed to delegate to others?
Basta, Your Honor, ang aking pag-disburse, gidisburse ko po sa security officer, Your Honor. Yan po ang trabaho ko, Your Honor.
Oh,
Gidisburse,
so therefore,
i-release.
therefore the answer is no. You cannot delegate your powers to others, no? Iba yun, nire-release mo eh, yung sabi mo eh, di ba? Alright, now, my question is this. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-delegate sa mga regional officers. Wala kayong regional officers, ano, sa OBP?
Wala kaming regional po, Your Honor.
Yun. Kasi, in your utilization report submitted to Senate President Mig Subiri, you had 132 areas nationwide. Yung activities within 11 days and even over the holidays. So, kanino nyo dinelegate itong 132 areas na nag-distribute kayo? Kung hindi ka pwede mag-delegate ng power, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Your Honor, maitinalaga po ang Vice Presidente na Security Officer, Your Honor, na siya po ang mag-i-implement, siya po ang mag-conduct ng confidential, siya po ang mag-implement sa mga confidential operations, Your Honor, on the ground. Kasi siya po ang experto, Your Honor.
So, kaya niya yon, expertise niya 132 areas in 11 days. Siya lang mag-isa, si Colonel La Chica.
Hindi ko yan masabi, Your Honor. Kasi ang alam ko lang, si Colonel La Chica po, ay siya po ang itinalaga na security officer, Your Honor, ng Office of the Vice President. Ay siya po ang aming commanding chief, Your Honor, for the BPSPG, Your Honor.
Ay, para, ayoko na marinig yung template, Mr. President. Thank you.